What is going on, sneaker family, man? You got your boy Quana Don coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, but we not talking about sneakers today. On this video, at least. For all my folks out there, man, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds to do so. Alright, I think that was long enough. But anyway, man, let's get back into the video. If you are looking to do YouTube, you're looking to do videos, you're looking to do TikToks, whatever, man, but, you know what I'm saying, you're not liking the way your videos look, and you're on a budget at that. Before you get into going out searching for a new camera, because your quality doesn't look as great, try your lighting. Try your lighting first, because it does make a huge difference. I was one of those people as well. I would sit and I would wonder why my videos did not look like some of these other people's videos, man, as far as the quality. Like, their videos were crisp, their videos looked good, and it's not always necessarily because of the camera. If you have an iPhone, use your camera, man. You can always use something to the best of your ability. It can be one thing that's really throwing it off, man. That's really throwing it off. So I say, before you really get into getting a new camera or anything like that, you know, get yourself a nice little background, hook up yourself a nice little background, whatever the case may be. Add your little flavors and whatever you want to call it, your little gadgets and gadgets, and then try to get you some high quality lighting. So I would say go after a lighting kit before you go after a camera. So that's a lot of mistakes that people make, and I've made it myself. So this is me speaking from experience. So I actually got a new kit, and I actually was putting it together. It was tough. It was pretty tough. So I was playing with it a lot, man. I had some hard times trying to get it right, trying to put it together, man. But it's always great to be able to invest in yourself, man. Anyway, I got a little bit off topic, but anyway, y'all go check out my lighting kit. So I actually got it put together, man, and I'm telling you, man, it made a big difference. It made a major difference. All right. So if you look at the top part of it, this is actually what goes over you, and you have it. I have it sitting like directly in front of my desk, usually where I'm sitting or while I'm speaking, and it worked out perfectly fine, man. And I also have my other two box lights where I have one on the left side of me, and then I have one on the right side of me. I can't really show y'all the one on the right side of me because I didn't have that completely put up. But however, I did have the one that was on the left side of me that was sitting next to one of my cases, which one of my cases that I plan on putting something in soon. But however, as I stated in my previous video before, like, I just got through moving and things, so I still got some things out of place right now. But it made a major difference, man. As you can see, you can look at the lighting right now, man, and you just look at my older videos, man. It made a huge difference. And I was always going back and forth on the camera thing, like, oh, I gotta get a new camera, I gotta get a new camera. I have an awesome camera. Like, I have an older camera, you know what I'm saying? I have a Rebel T6i Canon. However, man, it does the job. I had a few other portable cameras that was like pocket cameras. Oh yeah, and I also recorded off my iPhone too before. I was recording off my iPhone for a while. When I first started this YouTube, I wasn't even using my Canon because the iPhone camera looked that good. You know what I'm saying? The iPhone 12 camera, so I didn't even use my Canon. However, the lighting kit is awesome, man. Like I say, man, invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. If you see something you want to do, or you know something that you want to do and you're good at it, and you always think about it, don't think about it no more, man. Apply pressure to it. I'm telling you, apply the pressure to it. Put the money into it. Put the effort into it. Like, it's a good feeling. Like, I'm not where I want to be as of right now yet, but I'm being patient, and I'm gonna put the work, and I'm gonna put the time in, and I'm gonna be where I want to be, man. But anyway, I wasn't gonna make this video too long, man. I'm pretty sure it's already long. I love y'all, man. I hope this video helped you or encouraged you start something that can be great in the future for you. As I say and as I always say, it's more of an experience to hate. You heard me? It's more of an experience to hate. So don't waste too much time hating. You put too much energy into hating people. It's easy to love. And it don't cost a thing to love, man. But I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul, Squid Gang. And we out, baby. More love.